All right, welcome to Concord, New Hampshire. We are on the Merrimack River. This is the first time I have fished the Merrimack River, and today was kind of a throw a dart at a board kind of day. And last second, I kind of thought, you know what? Let's come out here. I've fished the Connecticut before. I might as well fish the Merrimack River before I move back to Vermont. So here we are, and we're just gonna see what we can do. Supposedly I can catch both small and largemouth bass in here, as well as pickerel. I don't believe there's any pike or walleye like there are in the Connecticut, but we're gonna see what we can do. Ended up launching kind of in a pretty central spot. So I'm gonna start by going south. We'll start under that bridge. We'll go south to, I think there's another bridge where 93 goes over. Well, I don't know if it's 93, but we're gonna start at this bridge, and then we're just gonna go south to another bridge further down, and then depending on how much time I've got, go up north, possibly over to New Hampshire Tech, and see if we can catch them over there. So yeah, new body of water. We're just gonna kind of throw blindly and see what happens. So let's go. Flat-nosed minnow. Oh God, it's a sunny. It's a sunny. Hitting the drop shot. Friggin' flat-nosed minnow. Not for you, buddy. These aren't supposed to be for you. Leave them for the bigger fish. Here, the spinnerbait going in, and then we'll probably throw the worm once we get closer to the weeds. It's small, it's really small. It's a baby smallie. All right, first bass of the day, I guess. Come on, little guy. There it is. All right, one sunny and one smallie so far. This has got to be a snag. Yeah. Probably gonna lose the rig. I'm pulling some shit up. Oh yeah, big ol' something. It's a big ol' stick. Huge driftwood. Big driftwood. Probably fell in the ice storm of 2008. Big piece of driftwood. Big old piece of driftwood. Oh yeah, look at that. Big old piece of driftwood. I probably should have thrown it deep because someone's just gonna probably snag up on that just like I did. Wonderful. Oh, I have a rich history of that in the recent past. To be fair, that fish was probably 10 inches. There we go. All right, it's pick. Fair enough. We're catching them all today, just like we're catching them all the Pokemons. I've caught like one of every species. Maybe 15-inch or so pickerel. I'm not even gonna put them on the. I'm not gonna measure them. All right, get out of here. Yep, a sunny, a smallie, a pickerel, and the one that we dropped on was a largemouth. So we've got one of basically everything. Let's go. All right. Yes, we've fished for the cycle. We did it. 4 different species. 4 different species. Our first 4 fish were all different species. 1 sunny, 1 smallie, 1 pick, and now a largemouth. Not bad. Yes, sir. Fishing for the cycle. 4 fish, 4 different species. None of them good size, but still, it's kind of cool. All right, put them back. That sucks. It's a decent hit, too. Definitely a decent hit. Too late. Yeah. He had it and then said no. Hell, I keep grappling on here. weird. There we go. All right, nice. There it is. Bottom lip. Why bottom lip? Why bottom lip? Yeah, let's go. Nice little whopper plopper largemouth. Just as we're about to pull in. That's... Oh, shit. Oof. It's a foot long. All right, there it is. Yeah, that's gonna be a day. Oh, that was low-key a lot of fun. You know, it was a throw a dart in the board kind of day, and I didn't even know what the hell I was gonna do until I did it, and I don't regret coming out here. I mean, it was a beautiful day. Had a lot of fun. Didn't break any records, but fished for the cycle, which I hardly ever do. Almost fished for the cycle bait-wise. It was 3 different baits between those 4 fish. And then they started hitting the whopper plopper at the end. I wish I could have grabbed a couple more that I missed. I wish I could have reeled in a couple of the ones I missed, but hey, is what it is. All right, GoPro is gonna run out. From Concord, with peace and love. We will see you with the next one.